The technique of Vipassana is a simple, practical way to achieve real peace of the mind and to lead a happy, useful life. Vipassana means to see things as they really are. It's a logical process of mental purification through self observation. From time to time, we all experience agitation, frustration, and disharmony. When we suffer, we do not keep our misery limited to ourselves. Instead, we keep disturbing to each other as well. Enlightened people have therefore advised know thyself, which means not merely knowing yourself at the intellectual level or accepting at the emotional or devotional level, but to experience the truth about yourself within yourself at the experiential level. To achieve this, a technique of Vipassana meditation was taught in India more than 2565 years ago as a universal remedy for universal problems. Vipassana enables us to experience peace and harmony by purifying the mind, freeing it from suffering and the deep-seated causes of suffering. Step by step, the practice leads to the highest spiritual goal of full liberation from all mental defilements. The entire path, that means Dhamma, is an art of living and has nothing to do with any organized religion or sectarianism. For this reason, it can be freely practiced by everyone, anytime, in any place, without conflict due to race, community, or religion, and will prove equally beneficial to one and all.